It's Aaron's Toy Channel. And Aaron is eating chicken rice and beans.
Yummy.
Oh, so cute, but your hands are dirty. Is it good? No.
Sorry. Yummy.
Does he have that on his eyebrow?
Yes. And on his forehead.
Little bean boy.
Yummy.
Aaron, say bye.
Bye.
See you later on.
Bye.
Bye. Aaron's toy review. He's reviewing this food. How's the food?
How's the
I'm
food?
trying to get a napkin.
I think.
How's the food? Oh, are you? Bless you.
Bless you. Here, you can hold it. Oh, mama.
Mama.
Yes. Are you gonna want more?
Yeah.
You want some more?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Aaron, do you want some more chicken, love?
No.
No more chicken. Do you want some more beans?
No.
Do you want some
You want
rice?
some juice?
No.
You don't want any juice?
No.
What would you want?
Choo choo.
Choo choo? The choo choo? Do you mean the train?
Yeah.
Like Thomas? Yeah. And Percy? Are you going to eat more?
Mom.
More.
Say bye, Aaron.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, with a chip? Let me get
Aaron, say bye.
Bye.